Thank you to everyone for joining us to learn more about the WWCMA's WorkWell Massachusetts Awards Program. My name is Melissa Matheson. I'm the marketing manager for the council. Without further ado, I wanted to introduce our presenter, Archana Kansagra. She's the Director of Health and Wellness Product and Strategy at Aetna. She's been there for 4 years. With her high energy and a passion to create a healthier society, she leads efforts in delivering innovative products and tools to the marketplace that empower people to take charge of their health and well-being. Prior to joining Aetna, Archana spent 12 years in health and welfare benefit consulting, working at Aon Hewitt, the Siegel Company, and Spring Consulting Group. Archana worked with clients of all sizes, both in private and public sector organizations, balancing affordable coverage and access to high-quality plans. In her various roles with these firms, she's assisted clients with their overall health and welfare strategies and brings detailed knowledge of strategic planning, plan performance, and compliance. For providers and insurers, she improved overall business effectiveness and was responsible for product development, process improvement, and program implementation. Archana specializes in condition and care management solutions, focusing on worksite wellness, disease management, and behavioral health. As a thought leader, she explores opportunities to strengthen the integration of health benefit programs in the disciplines of health and productivity in order to provide cutting-edge solutions for businesses of all sizes. She's written articles for Corporate Wellness Magazine and other publications on this topic. Archana served on the board of directors for the Worksite Wellness Council of Massachusetts for 5 years, and as the awards and recognition chair, she designed and launched the WorkWell Massachusetts Award Program in 2015. She also leads the peer review subcommittee. Archana's enthusiasm for healthy living is evident professionally and personally. She enjoys participating in obstacle races like the Spartan race and traveling with her husband and 3 young children. So at this point, I will turn it over to Archana.
Great. Thank you, Melissa. I am so excited to be hosting this webinar today, and thank you all for your interest in the WorkWell Massachusetts Awards Program. In today's session, I'll answer the following questions. What are the WorkWell Massachusetts Awards? Why should I apply? What are the steps to apply? And we'll leave time at the end to address your specific questions. So feel free to enter your questions in the chat box as we go through. On behalf of the Worksite Wellness Council of Massachusetts and the Awards and Recognition Committee, we are really excited to announce our 3rd year of the WorkWell Massachusetts Awards Program. The Council created this awards program to recognize Massachusetts employers for their stellar employee wellness initiatives and support of health promotion in the workplace. Our goal is to educate and encourage employers who want to start or improve their worksite wellness program so we can all learn from each other. If your organization would like to be recognized for its excellence in improving lives through best practices in worksite wellness, then you should consider applying for this award. Employers are eligible to earn a gold, silver, and bronze level award for basic, enhanced, or comprehensive worksite health promotion programs. There is a 2-step application process that I will address further into the presentation. And applications will be reviewed by an independent peer review committee made up of industry professionals. If you are interested in joining the peer review committee or would like to nominate someone, you can reach out to me directly or complete our volunteer form. We hold the award ceremony at the Council's annual conference, which is going to happen in September, to recognize our 2017 winners. We plan to include the winners in various sessions at the conference so that they can showcase their programs. On this slide, we are really proud of these 20 organizations as they were recognized and they had earned a WorkWell Massachusetts award last year. We had several repeat winners from 2015, and our 2016 and 2015 winners are featured on our awards homepage. And we have posted profiles of their organizations as well as details of their wellness programs. So I encourage you all to take a look at our website, as this is an opportunity to share and learn from each other. If you know an organization or are an organization that has either headquartered in Massachusetts or has a majority of your workforce in Massachusetts then we encourage you to apply. There are a multitude of reasons for why you should apply, but we called it down to 5. 1, you put a lot of hard work into making your wellness program successful, so here is a way to get recognized for your dedication to health and well-being of your workforce. 2, if you have a stellar wellness program, you should shout it from the rooftops and build awareness to how you're helping your workforce. We also help you to do that through our marketing collaboration effort. Learn. Our peer reviewers, who are industry experts, read through all of the applications and will provide you with a free consultative recommendation on how you can enhance your wellness program. You'll also have a forum to learn from each other so that you can improve and grow your wellness program, especially at the annual conference. Being designated with a WorkWell Award demonstrates your commitment to your employees, and as they can also be proud to work for an employer who values their health and happiness. And finally, show your value. Hanging up a WorkWell Massachusetts plaque in your senior leader's office or hallway showcases your program's excellence and dedication to health and well-being of your workforce. The Health Enhancement Resource Organization, otherwise called HERO, collaborated with Mercer and other industry experts to develop the HERO Health and Well-Being Best Practices Scorecard in collaboration with Mercer. Try saying that 5 times. So let's just call it the Hero Scorecard for simplicity. We feel that it is a valuable tool for employers to use and develop and evolve their health and well-being efforts. It captures employer health and well-being best practices as well as outcomes. There are 6 reasons why we think you should take the Hero Scorecard and how it could be helpful to you. It serves as an educational tool on best practices that impact employee health and well-being. 2, it serves as an inventory of your organization's practices and policies, your programs and its outcomes. It identifies gaps and areas of opportunity. 3, you can use it to easily compare scores year over year or across businesses or locations. 4, it's insightful to compare your scores to benchmark data, to national data sets, healthcare cost trends, and productivity outcomes. You can use it to collaborate internally. And finally, the scorecard aids you in developing business cases, strategic planning, gap analyses, program evaluation, and recognition and awards. How do you apply? Well, there's a 2-step process. The WorkWell Massachusetts Awards Program provides employers with tools, like the Hero Scorecard, to build standards of excellence and identify and recognize industry best practices. As part of the application process, you'll first need to complete the Hero Scorecard, and second, a set of questions within the WorkWell Massachusetts supplement. For both of these tools, you'll want to submit a response that represents the most accurate and broad view of the current state of your health management programs and services. Ideally, the response will include input from appropriate stakeholders in the organization, such as benefits, occupational health and safety, senior leaders, business managers, or others. And we recommend that you engage them early in the process to meet the deadline. The Hero Scorecard is free of charge and can be completed online. And once you've completed the 200 questions, your scores will be sent to you via email. Sounds like a lot, but it should only take about 45 minutes to complete if you have all the information. The Hero Scorecard is open year-round, so for those overachievers in the group, you can go ahead and start completing the Hero Scorecard now. Just remember to please save the email with the scores that you receive and a copy of the responses that you've entered into the scorecard. That will be really critical, as you'll need to enter those scores into the WorkWell Massachusetts supplement application. If you've taken the Hero Scorecard within the last 12 months, we're not asking you to take it again. However, you will need to submit a copy of those responses along with your scores. Once you've received your Hero Scorecard, Hero Scores, you can then complete the WorkWell Massachusetts supplement. The supplement is also hosted online, and a link to roughly 40 questions will be open on April the 1st. Links to access both the Hero Scorecard as well as the supplement will be posted on our awards homepage. So be sure to complete both of those tools by May 15th at midnight, and from that point on, our peer review process will commence. So some key dates to put into your calendar. April 1st, the application will open. May 15th, the application will close. In August, we will notify our winners, and on September 19th, our award ceremony and annual conference will be held. So definitely want to start saving the dates for those events. A few final details. In order to be eligible for the WorkWell Awards mentioned, your organization must either be headquartered in Massachusetts or have a majority working in Massachusetts. Reminder that the applications are due by the 15th of May, and there is a $15 application fee. However, it's waived if you are a WWCMA member. If you would like to become a member or want to learn more about the membership benefits, please visit the Join tab on our website for rates, or you can contact me. Save the date for the 19th of September. That's when our annual conference will be held, and where we will be announcing and recognizing our winners. We also plan to include our winners as panelists or guest speakers at the annual conference to talk about your specific wellness program. If you'd like to get a jump start on the application, you can begin taking the Hero Scorecard now. As we get closer, we will post a PDF of the WorkWell supplement questions to help you start gathering the relevant information. And be sure to continuously check out the WorkWell Massachusetts Awards homepage, as that's where we will be housing all of the details about the award and the application. I hope that you're all now excited to apply, and we look forward to reviewing your responses. We'll open up to questions, and Melissa, I'll turn it to you.
Just to point out our upcoming events that are happening in the next few months, we have a networking meeting, which is in collaboration with NEBIG on March 23rd from 4:30 to 6:30 at the A-Loft in Lexington. And you can find that more information about that, and the registration for that is on our website. And then in April, we have an upcoming learning program. It's an in-person event about building a career in workplace wellness. So that'll be on Wednesday, April 12th from 5 to 7:30 at Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston. And the networking meeting will be under the events tab under networking, and the learning program will be under the events tab under learning programs on our website. So you can find the registration for both of those there. And then just as Archana mentioned, just to save the date for now for the annual conference, which is on Tuesday, September 19th. It'll be held again at Gillette Stadium in Foxborough, and registration will probably open for that at the end of this month or beginning of April. So just check back on our website for those. We do have one question here. Okay, Archana, the question is the peer review process anonymous, and do the reviewers know the names of the companies that they are evaluating?
Great question. In the peer review process, we do blind all of the organization's names, so the peer reviewers do not know the name of the organization for which they are reviewing.
Archana's email address, the awards at www.cma.org, is where you can email other questions that you might have. Thank you all for joining us, and hopefully we will look forward to seeing some of you at an upcoming event.
Great. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Archana.